Hello everyone and welcome to another Add Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing SPM 2016 Add Maths Paper 2 question number 6 from Form 4 Chapter 8 Circular Measure. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. Diagram 6 shows a front view of a window. The arc of the window is a semicircle. The perimeter of the window is 4 meter. Express the front surface area of the window in terms of x and pi. By using pi equals to 3.142, find the width in meter of the window when the front surface area is maximum. So this is the overall question. So I hope that you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, a big thumbs up to you guys. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions. So without further delay, let us start to solve the question now. Let us continue our discussion. Okay, for the question part A, so how are we going to solve this? Okay, the first step what we're going to do is we're going to form a relationship for the perimeter. Okay, as they already give in the question, the perimeter of the window is 4 meter. Okay, so how to find the perimeter of the window? The length of the arc of the semicircle. Okay, you plus with the 3 sides of the rectangle. Okay, you add them up, you should get 4 meter. Okay, so we're going to form that relationship. Okay, once we form that, so what we're going to do, we're going to use that information to find the front surface area, which is the total surface area of a semicircle and the rectangle, and then we're going to express them in terms of x and pi. So this is the overall idea on how we're going to solve this question. Okay, so I hope you understand till now. Okay, let us continue the working. Okay, let me write in the working over here where the perimeter of the window is 4 meter. Okay, okay, so this is the calculation on how we're going to find the perimeter of the window, which is arc of semicircle plus with 3 sides of rectangle. You should get a total of 4 meter. Okay, so to find the arc of semicircle, we're going to use the formula S equals to R theta. Okay, to find the radius, what we're going to do is we're going to use the width of the window, which is 2x meter. Okay, so we're going to use this length, okay, to calculate our radius. Since these two lengths are the same, okay, the radius will be 2x, you divide with 2. So from here you'll get x meter. So x meter will be your radius. Okay, as for the angle theta, since this is a semicircle, so you should know that the angle of a semicircle is pi in radian or 180 degree. Okay, so you're going to apply pi radian here, guys. Okay, so from here let us continue in our calculation, and then you just add the 3 sides of rectangle respectively. Okay, so from here x you times with pi, you plus with y, you plus with 2x, and then you plus with y again. Okay, you should get a total of 4 meter. Okay, so let us continue. So x times with pi, you should get x pi. Y plus with y, you should get is 2y. Okay, and then plus with 2x is equals to 4 meter. Okay, in this question, since we are going to express the surface area in terms of x and pi, so the very first step what we need to do is we need to come up with the equation of y in terms of x. Okay, because at the end we're going to eliminate the y variable. So how to eliminate the y variable? So we need to come up with the equation of y in terms of x. So I hope you understand the concept behind this. So from here, the x pi and the 2x, so we're going to move it to the right hand side. Okay, so from here 2y will be equals to 4 minus 2x minus x pi. Okay, so this is your value of 2y. So to find the y, what we need to do, 4 minus 2x minus with x pi, you divide them with 2 respectively. So from here y will be equals to Okay, let me copy paste this. And then you divide the whole expression by 2. Okay, so let me box this. So this is your very first step, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand the working behind this. Once we get the equation of y in terms of x, the next step what we need to do is we can proceed to find the front surface area of the window, okay, which is in this case is the total area, which is consists of area of semicircle plus with the area of rectangle. Okay, let us continue our working now. Okay, let me write down the explanation over here. Okay, so from here, the area of semicircle you plus with the area of rectangle, you should get the front area of the window. Okay, let us continue. So I address the front area of the window as the total area, okay, where it will be equals to area of the semicircle. Okay, to find the area of semicircle, we're going to use the formula half r square theta. Okay, so from here 1 over 2 times with the radius square. So in this case the radius is x, so 1 over 2 times with x square. Okay, and then you times with the theta. So since it's a semicircle, so your theta will be pi. Okay, and then you plus with the area of rectangle. Okay, the area of rectangle will be length times with width, so it will be 2x times with y, so it will be 2x y. Okay, so from here let us continue our working. So from here you should get x square pi over 2 plus with 2x y. Okay, let me underline the fraction. Okay, so up until now I hope you understand the concept behind this. So since the question asks us to express in terms of x and pi, so what we need to do is we need to eliminate this y variable. So how are we going to do that? So we have already come up with the equation of y in terms of x. So this equation, so we're going to substitute inside here in order to eliminate the y variable. Okay, let us continue our working. So from here the total area will be x square pi over 2, and then you plus with 2x. So this y, it will be 4 minus 2x minus x pi over 2, 4 minus 2x minus x pi over 2. Okay, close bracket. So let me underline the fraction. Okay, so this 2 we will simplify, it will become 1. So this 2 will simplify, will become 1. So the x you can straight away times in the bracket. Okay, so from here let us continue our working. So the total area will be x square pi over 2. Okay, and then you plus with 4x. Okay, x times with 4 you should get is 4x, and then minus 2x square. So x times with negative 2x you should get is negative 2x square, and then minus with x square pi. So x you times with negative x pi, you should get is negative x square pi. Okay, so from here you should get your total area will be 4x minus 2x square. Okay, this x square pi over 2 and negative x square pi, you can combine them, it will become negative x square pi over 2. So it will become negative x square pi over 2. You can write your answer in this way, or you can write in this way as well. It's up to you. Okay, so I just leave the answer in this way, so at least it'd be easier for you to read the solution. Okay, let me underline the solution. Okay, so this is the answer for the question part A. Okay, let me proceed to the question part B now. Let us continue our discussion for the question part B, where the question asks, by using pi value equals to 3.142, find the width in meter of the window when the front surface area is maximum. Okay, in this case, the 2x meter is representing the width of the window. Okay, the area we have already find in the question part A. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy paste the answer of the area of the window. So I'm going to copy paste over here. So please hold on. Okay, so where we have already find the front surface area is equals to 4x minus 2x square minus 1 over 2 x square pi. Okay, so instead of A total, let me just write A over here. Okay, before I forgot, this question is actually involve the combination of circular measure and differentiation. Okay, so this is the example of a HOTS question, guys. Okay, so let us continue. So since the question asking the surface area is maximum, so this is an indication that we need to do a derivation. Okay, so we need to differentiate area with respect to x. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to differentiate this area. So from here you should get dA over dx is equals to, okay, 4x, it will become 4. So this negative 2x square, it will become negative 4x. This negative 1 over 2 x square pi, it will become negative x pi. Okay, this pi you treat it as a constant. It's not a variable, it is a constant. Okay, so I hope you understand the working behind this. Okay, so to find the surface area is maximum, so you need to set your dA dx, I mean you should set your dA over dx equals to 0. Okay, this concept is similar to finding the maximum point. So what you need to do, you need to set your turning point where your dy over dx is equals to 0. Okay, just a recall, guys, from the differentiation concept. Okay, so when dA over dx equals to 0, so from here 4 minus 4x minus x pi will be equals to 0. Okay, so from here let us group the x variable aside and then a number aside. Okay, so this negative 4x and negative x pi, we will move it over to the right hand side. Okay, so from here you will get 4x plus with x pi will be equals to 4. Okay, from here the x we can factor out, so you factor out the x, you should get 4 plus with pi, you will get equals to 4. So to find the x, what you do, the 4 you divide with 4 plus with pi. So from here x will be equals to 4 divide with 4 plus pi. Okay, let me underline the fraction. So since the question asks us to using the pi value equals to 3.142, so we can straight away use the pi value equals to 3.142. So from here x will be equals to 4 over 4 plus 3.142. Okay, so from here, so you calculate this, you should get your x is equals to 0.5601 meter. Okay, so this is the x value in order for your area to be maximum. Okay, however, we will double confirm it, okay, whether this x value will give a maximum value or minimum value. So how are we going to do that? So we're going to do double differentiation, or so called double derivative. So we're going to differentiate this dA over dx second time. Okay, so let us continue. So from here we do a second derivative. So d square a over dx square. Okay, let me underline the fraction. So you differentiate second time, you should get negative 4 minus with pi. Okay, so from here let us continue our working. So since the pi value you can use 3.142, so you just straight away use 3.142. So negative 4 minus 3.142. So from here you should get negative 7.142. Okay, since negative 7.142 is less than 0, so we can know that this double differentiation gives us the maximum value. Okay, this x value will certainly give us the maximum value of surface area. Okay, so let me just write here maximum value Okay, so once we've done the double differentiation, okay, let us continue. The final step is to calculate the width. Okay, like I said, the width is the 2x meter, guys. So this is the width of the window. So from here, the width, oops, it's a bit hanging, width is equals to 2x meter. So from here, 2 you times with 0.5601, okay, and you times with meter. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your answer 1.1202 meter. So this will be your final answer. Okay, let me underline the solution now. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future, and not to forget to share this video. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.